Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door latch. This is a straightforward home improvement task that anyone can tackle with just a few basic tools. You'll primarily need a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead. Make sure your replacement latch has the correct backset, which is the distance from the door's edge to the center of the borehole, typically 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Let's get started. Now let's remove the old latch. First, locate and remove the 2 screws on the interior side of your door handle or knob. Once those are out, you can usually pull the handle or knob straight off both sides of the door. Next, look at the edge of the door where the latch extends. You'll see a small metal plate with 2 screws. Remove these screws and then carefully pull the entire old latch mechanism out of the door's edge. It should slide out easily. With the old latch removed, installing the new one is simple. Slide the new latch mechanism into the opening on the door's edge, making sure the angled side of the latch bolt faces the direction the door closes. Align the new latch plate with the existing screw holes and secure it with the 2 screws provided. Finally, reattach your door handle or knob, ensuring the spindle correctly engages the new latch mechanism. Tighten the handle screws firmly. You're almost done. Now it's time to test your newly installed door latch. Operate the door handle or knob several times to ensure the latch bolt retracts and extends smoothly without sticking. Close the door to confirm it latches securely into the strike plate on the door frame. If anything feels loose or misaligned, make small adjustments to the screw tightness. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your door latch and improved your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.